Welcome to my channel MHN Background. Here you can learn how to quickly create different backgrounds footage in the After Effects program. Also, on this channel I wrote both small education videos of various areas helping you opening, learning something new to use in your work or hobby. Important to know creation some footage as may require some files plugins sign the speed of the processing to make this much easier. I wrote with backgrounds with the text while you're free to do their research. Want to remind that this channel's owner is self-taught and don't have professional design education. However, my videos could save you much time because you mostly could skip through and start practicing right away. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with a couple of minutes, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. On my second channel MHN Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my web address.